So this is the 4 here. Then Umusona is going to come and pick this guy. This central midfielder likes to focus on the number 10. I'm not sure Uguti he was told to man mark him, but he likes to focus on the number 10. So githi kuzobe kuumbule lo. Hopefully kuzobe kudlala yena. Now, this is Umusona uzofuna ukupressa la. But watch this guy in the midfield, he's free. This guy is what? Caught in two minds. He's gonna go where? Here. It's too late. Now, what I want you to watch, I want you to look at this space between this center back and this center back. It's too much space. Don't forget what I'm saying. This space between the two. Second clip, Angola has the ball. Here's the number 8 marking the number 10. Here Angola. Watch him. He focuses too much on the number 10 instead of focusing or keeping a position yakila. What I said, remember what I said, Uguti. The communication between the two center backs and the two central midfielders. Boy for Onji. It's very bad. Now look at this space, Sila. What ends up happening? He leaves this guy, Uzala. It's too late again. Remember what I said? Watch the space. Look at the space between these two central midfielders. This guy should have played the ball here. Because this guy, Wenzeni, he's too late. He moves around a lot. Angola Yenzani, they missed this chance. This was a warning. I always talk about the warning before the goal. I always talk about the warning before the goal. Guti ihlale iza. Now, watch what's going to happen. Yes. Ha. Both the central midfielders and the central defenders abekho mnandi. Yadliwa lokugin? Yebo. Poor finishing. The central defenders and the central midfielders, they don't communicate. La, who empty phakathi nendawo. We have to capitalize. We can't lose against this team. They are not tactical.